Hey guys, welcome back to Benji's World. Okay, we're on the hike. It's super beautiful. And it's Cloudcroft, and it's like so beautiful. If any of you have been to Apple Barn, good. And this is super nice. Oh, and this is my mom. Hi. And super nice. I hope you see animals.